My name is Aditya Iyer from iMark Technologies. I look at customer experience and business development. iMark has been in the market for the last 10 years, and we primarily focus on SAP implementations with a main focus on the East African market as well as a focus on Pan-Africa. We basically aim to bring process excellence to most of the implementations that we do, and we aim at mid-segment companies as well as large segment companies. Over the years, we have developed a capacity to implement solutions across multiple industries, and we have been able to successfully implement almost all of SAP's core products. As a company, for the last 6 years consecutively, we have also been winning the SAP Quality Awards, which means that we are able to deliver on-time, rapid and value-added implementations to our customers. As a company, we decided that we wanted to get more aggressive, and thus we were looking at a team of interns that brought fresh thoughts and dynamism into our organization. We have basically been looking for interns for the first time, and that's why we wanted to go after the best. VU GNU Center of Excellence India was one of our primary universities that we went after. And the interns that we have got from this university have been exceptionally outstanding, and they have brought fresh thought into our organization and have contributed very positively. They have basically focused on a very end-to-end perspective when it comes to SAP implementations. They have started from business development and have gone all the way to understanding how different products can be pitched for different customers, as well as how solutions can be built. If I were to name a few, Aditi Gupta and Chandar Rajpurohit have been excellent students that we have identified, and we also plan to absorb a few of these interns once they're done with their program as well, and they seem very keen. The unique selling point of having interns in our organization is that they bring fresh thought, and they have just passed out and they have a tremendous amount of knowledge that they have gained from the program that they're doing, and they bring practical application of whatever they've learned into the organization. As an organization, we have benefited significantly having interns with us. I would definitely recommend students from the VU GNU Center of Excellence India, because they bring fresh thought into any organization they contribute to, as well as bring a promise to deliver wherever they work at. So having them as a part of our organization has been a delight, and we look forward to working with them even further on.